Alright guys, I got the head mount on now. So yeah, let's go. Bunny hop is easy. Now let's just send it off the ramp. Woo! Fun, GoPro. Alright guys, since the ramp is kind of shaped like a flat bank, I'm gonna see if I can bunny hop off of it, or onto it. Let's go. I mean, it kind of works. And then, oh shoot. Manuals are kind of strange, but I'll get it. Wheelie. Or it was a catwalk, but whatever. And then I can bunny hop onto it if I want to. But my seat, fam, freaking crooked. Dude, I think it might be the bolts. They're just not tight enough. All right, I'll go off of it and then I'll turn around and you'll be recorded. Oh. All right, go. I'm recording, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh! Oh my god, GoPro highlight. Let's bunny hop this one. Oh, my wrist. Oh. Woo! This ramp is so sketchy, but it works. Oh yeah. I want to make it a gap jump. Like actually. Ooh. That was a close call. We got Landon. Oh! Alright, let's go. Oh, it's a car. Alright, well I gotta go fast then.